Learning Amazon rainforest animal names helps you explore rare species and understand their vital roles in nature's richest ecosystem while inspiring action to protect this wild paradise. Let's get started. Jaguar. Jaguar silently prowls the jungle shadows, delivering a single skull-crushing bite. Even armored turtles aren't safe. Giant river otter. Reaching over 6 feet in length, giant river otters are loud, social hunters with strong family bonds. They're one of the Amazon's most charismatic but endangered predators. Red Howler Monkey. Their thunderous roars echo for miles, acting as the rainforest's natural sirens. Red howlers live in groups and defend their territory with spine-chilling howls. Capybara. The world's largest rodent, capybaras are gentle giants of the rainforest. They love water and live in friendly herds near rivers and swamps. Black-capped squirrel monkey. These tiny monkeys zip through the trees in energetic troops, always chasing fruit and fun. Collared anteater. Armed with sharp claws and a defensive stench, tamanduas break into termite nests with ease. Sloth. Sloths sleep up to 20 hours a day and move so slowly that algae grow on their fur. But surprise, these lazy legends are excellent swimmers. Pink river dolphin. These freshwater dolphins blush into a bright pink as they age. Curious and playful, they're the mythical creatures of the Amazon rivers. Macaw. Bursting with rainbow colors and unmatched mimicry skills, macaws are the jungle's vocal icons. They mate for life and share strong emotional bonds. Harpy Eagle. With claws the size of a grizzly bear's, the Harpy Eagle can snatch monkeys straight from trees. It dominates the skies as the Amazon's top aerial predator. Toucan. With oversized, colorful beaks, toucans may look heavy, but they're light as a feather. Their beaks help regulate body temperature and grab distant fruit. Poison dart frog. These neon-colored frogs are small but deadly, their skin contains potent toxins. Their bright colors serve as a loud warning, don't touch. Black Caiman. The largest predator in the Amazon basin, black caimans can grow over 20 feet long. Once nearly extinct, their populations are slowly making a comeback. Green anaconda. Weighing up to 1,000 pounds, green anacondas are among the heaviest snakes on Earth. They ambush their prey, then swallow it whole. Electric eel. This shocking hunter can generate up to 600 volts of electricity. It uses electric pulses to stun prey and navigate dark waters. Piranha. Not as savage as Hollywood says, but in groups, they can be deadly. Piranhas mostly feed on weak or dead animals, but their razor-sharp teeth are no joke. Paiche. One of the largest freshwater fish in the world, the paiche can grow over 10 feet. It breathes air and surfaces regularly to gulp oxygen. Leafcutter ant. These tiny workers slice and carry leaves back to their nests to farm fungus. They're the unsung farmers of the forest, vital to the Amazon's ecosystem. Glass frog. These frogs look like nature's X-rays. Their bellies are transparent, revealing their beating hearts and tiny organs. They're living jewels of the jungle. Amazonian manatee. Gentle, plant-loving giants, Amazonian manatees drift silently through murky rivers. Sadly, they're often hunted, despite being completely harmless. Blue Morpho butterfly. When it spreads its wings, it becomes a flying flash of metallic blue. But blink, and it disappears into the forest, thanks to clever camouflage. Leaf mimic Katydid. This insect looks so much like a leaf, even with fake bite marks, it fools predators daily. Nature's ultimate master of disguise. Spectacled Caiman. With a bony ridge above their eyes, these crocodile cousins always look serious. But their name comes from their spectacle shape, not bad eyesight. Bullet ant. Its sting is ranked as one of the most painful in the insect world, like walking on fire with nails in your foot. Army ant. They move in massive, unstoppable swarms, devouring everything in their path. Even tarantulas and snakes aren't safe from these coordinated killers. Emerald Tree Boa. This striking green snake coils elegantly on branches and waits to ambush prey from above. It's all beauty, and all business. Agouti. These shy, rabbit-sized rodents are nature's gardeners. They bury nuts and forget them, helping trees like Brazil nut to grow. Tarantula. With their furry legs and aviary eyes, Amazon tarantulas may look terrifying, but they're surprisingly docile and rarely bite humans. Amazonian royal flycatcher. Normally plain, this bird suddenly flares a wild, crown-like crest when startled. It's a jungle surprise in feathered form. Basilisk lizard. It can run across water for several meters, earning it the nickname Jesus lizard. You blink, and it's already sprinted across a stream. Which Amazon rainforest animal surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, we'd love to hear what fascinated you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.